Hello everyone. So, nagkaroon ako ng tatlong trade. For Asia yung isang unang trade ko, and then another trade for New York around ito is 1 a.m. and then ito is around anong oras to? 2:30. So, ayun, I'm going to break down my trades. These are my trades for August 13 and 14, 2026. Actually, itong 1,000 na to, ayan siya. Napasa yung isang funded account na 50k challenge account sa Funded Futures family. Yan. And then, this one is also a eval account. Itong 932. And the others are funded accounts. Ito funded accounts. Okay, delete ko na yung mga yan. So, first trade, second trade, and third trade. Actually, meron pa akong open trade. Hindi, na-take profit na rin siya for Forex. Ayan, nag-earn ako ng around $51. Okay. So, paano nga ba ako nag-come up sa trade na to? Alright, here, nag-start ako actually sa daily time frame. Looking at the daily time frame here, we are bullish. Meron tayong FVG here. Yan. Sorry medyo maraming drawings kasi daily ako nag-trade. And then, here, if titignan nyo yung order block from daily time frame here, na-respect pa rin. Okay? And then, pumunta ako sa 4 hours. Multi-time frame analysis tayo actually. By the way, meron tayong SMT around here with ES. And then, yung H4 here, nag-confirm. So, nung nag-retrace siya sa H4, naghanap ako ng bullish or long trades here, which is nakuha ko sa 15 minutes time frame. Here. Ayan. Meron tayong 15 minutes confirmation here, but nag-market order ako around here. And then, natipi siya 2.26 R yan actually. And then, meron tayong SMT around here. Ayan. Meron din tayong SMT around here. Tapos, natipi siya around 9:30 open, market open ng New York. And then, ayun, na-hit yung negative 3.5 to negative 4, wherein doon nag-stop actually yung price. Yan is measurement ng standard deviation from 4-hour time frame. But since it is trying to disrespect na, which is what happened here, yan. Okay. So dito, nakita ko merong FVG. Sa second trade ko naman to here. So nakita ko nagre-reject yung price around there. And then nag-enter ako around here. Tapos tinarget ko yung high na to. Itong around sa high na to. Nag-move lang ako ng konti to get at least yung 2R. Okay? And then another trade here sa 5 minutes naman to. Nag-measure ako ng standard deviation projection here sa 5 minutes. Tapos, na-hit yung negative 3.5 to negative 4. Nag-reverse yung market. Nag-enter ako around here. Actually, medyo aggressive trade siya. And then, targeting yung buy-side liquidity around here. Okay? Ayun. Kompleto yung mga confluences natin. Na-hit yung mga trades natin. And, ayan. By the way, meron tayong website here. Pwede kang pumunta sa tradesbymerc.com. You can join our channel sa Telegram in there. And then, meron din tayong free course. Sign up ka lang for free. Wala namang bayad. Libre lang po. And then, ayun. I hope nag-learn ka sa trade breakdown for this video. Ayun lang. Thank you so much and bye-bye.